Tiana and Jinal to join us with the best and the grand debate today. And we are organizing a debate on the social topic that is named corruption. You know, corruption is a very disease, a very great disease in our societies. I am suffered also. And because I organize this debate for the whole youth of India, because everybody are suffering and are facing this problem. I am also facing this problem. So I called you, I invited you to debate, and please share to your opinions and how do you feel and how do you accept and how do you offer to it and how do you think about that, what is the corruption, and corruption is the legal and corruption is the illegal, corruption right and wrong. So you have to share your opinion and your suggestion to the in this debate now. Okay, so you are most welcome once again. And now Miss Yana, I want to know about the definition of corruption according to your choice. Okay, so please carry on.
Corruption is the dishonesty and the illegal work done by the people's illegal and dishonesty of the people for accepting money for their personal purpose or with the selfishness of their own.
Okay. And do you agree her definition about the corruptions?
Yes, I agree the definition of corruptions because she is right. How because they in the police stations they take bribe under tables and some people take bribe by threatening them and all.
Now, Miss Jinal, I want to know about your appreciation about this topic. That do you agree corruption right and wrong according to your choice?
Yes, I agree because corruption is wrong in our country or in our society.
Okay, so it's mean you don't like to corruptions, yes?
No.
Yes, Miss Yana, what do you think about the corruptions?
Corruption is not the problem of its own. It's a wider problem of the government.
Okay.
I am in the favor of corruption.
You favor
Yes.
to the corruptions?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Corruption reduces bureaucracy and speeds up the implementation of the government jobs and provides employment also.
I interrupt you.
Why is that?
I interrupt you because it is taken bribe and it is taken by bribe and it is fraud. It is fraud and theft.
Even through corruption, we can solve the problem of delays in someone's work. Corruption provides opportunity to throw out the problem of legal problems.
It doesn't provides any opportunity.
It provides opportunity as we can by giving corruption
black money and
by giving black money we can came out from any problem.
by giving black money we can't solve our problems.
How can you explain that?
I can explain that because if suppose for example if the something is of 200 rupees or if we are taking 300 rupees then it is wrong for us.
No, it makes
done by black.
By taking bribe.
Black money.
Yeah, I know, but taking bribe is not the problem. That 100 rupees makes poor people to rich, and they can become.
But if
They
we
can-
will take
they
with,
can-
if we will take with honestly, then it will be more good for us.
Today's country is not about honesty. Every people is fraud in this country. If you do something good for someone, they will don't care.
And corruption gives the birth to every illegal activities.
Yeah, I know, but taking bribe is not the problem. If someone is poor, right, and he is taking extra money, that's not the problem. It makes the poor people, they make them become rich, and it also increases their standard of living.
And if they will take by honestly, they will get more things good.
Corruption also reduces unemployment. Just suppose if your family member is in politics and you are close to them, then they will definitely try to provide you opportunity of government job, and that will increases GDP growth and national income of our country. As India is a developing country, corruption is
and
also
black money. Corruption and black money are two sides of one coin, and it is a illegal work.
right.
And it is called black money.
But every developed country is also taking bribe. Even if we want to be a developed country, then we have to take bribe. Bribe and corruption is good for us. If we want to be a developed country, every developed country has so
And if
many
we are taking-
cases of corruption.
And if we are taking bribe, and it is correct that we take bribe by threatening them.
Yeah,
It
it
is
is correct, but yeah, it is correct. Even you can came out from the problem of that. You're not scared.
If
in
we are
that.
threatening them, then they will get more scared, and they will not even.
It's the not topic of about scaredness at all. It is the topic about problem of them. Even you don't have to go police stations. You can solve your problem by sitting at one place, talking just and exchange the money, and that's it.
And then I want to tell you that, and in India there is the bribes. The pre-rate is very high in India, and
I earlier told you that if we want to live in a developed country, then we have to be corrupted. Corrupted officials provide a high degree of incentives which make them work properly and carefully.
corrupted
If you
politicians. Corrupted politicians give clearances to bribery and theft, fraud, and blackmailing also.
Every developed country has the corruption in that.
And if corruption reaches in offices now, then the driver's license will be issued, and it compromises the safety. It doesn't compromise the safety of the citizens.
Yeah, corrupt politics and officials provide high degree of incentives which make them do the things of related to corruption. But it made them development friendly system, and they do work carefully if they in the greed of more and more money.
No, you are incorrect. I have earlier also told you that it is wrong for our country and our society.
Okay, so happy to appreciation with your debate now today. Fantastic debate you have performed today, and especially Yana, you are so fabulous and the delicious and the fantastic for your debate and argument. I once again congratulate you. Okay? Now once again we have the preparation on the topic of the corruption. You know, corruption is the very recent problem of India. So I would like to ask one question that what are the beneficial according to your choice to the corruptions?
It makes poor people and low standard people to change their standard of living, so they become high standard people. Mostly you can see in your locality that poor people accept bribes or take bribes just because they have some problem. They have economical position of their family.
I interrupt you, Miss Hannah, because of corruption, poor people can't get chance to earn money, and those poor people also get very disappointed by this.
But even you can solve the problem of by giving bribes to the officials or government officials. If you go to police station, no, then you will lose your image in the society. That he will arrested by the police. And if you give bribe to them, then they will leave you at your home.
But I have tell you earlier also that bribe is a bad thing for our country or for our society.
Miss Yana, can you prove by any accident in your life that has happened that this is the best example of the corruptions? Do you think? Can you imagine can you share about any accident in your life that has happened that you can share that this is right and wrong corruptions for according to your choice? As an example, you can set up now today. You can't set up.
I don't know any.